I keep hearing a lot of Generation X say they wasted their lives. I don't think we did. I think we were just conditioned to ignore ourselves. Big difference there. You were probably taught that responsibility, that was the first thing you should do. Work was first. Bills came first, providing for your family. Your kids always come first, and that's not bullcrap, that's real. Your marriage came first. Job was first, that provided. Everything came but first except us. But after enough years of living that way, they just completely lost themselves. Not because we're lazy, not because we didn't give a crap. You didn't fail. You were just surviving. It was the only way you could do everything and still survive. Gen X grew up in a really weird time. We were taught to be independent very early. Latchkey kids came home 9 years old to an empty house. You learn how to handle things alone. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. You learn not to complain, not to be afraid. Bury that stress and keep going. Honestly, that survival mindset helped a lot of us. It really did. But it also damaged a lot of us quietly. Because eventually you wake up in your 40s or 50s or 60s and you realize something's scary. You're not even sure what makes you happy anymore, not even what it looks like, but you know how to grind, you know how to provide, you know how to handle emergencies and take care of your family. You know how to work when you're tired, no sleep, no peace. Forget about joy, no rest, no connection. Forget about taking care of yourself. A lot of us never learned that part. I think that's why so many people in Gen X are just frickin' burnt. Carrying 30 years of stress right here. Decades of emotional suppression, pretending that they were fine. And now your body starting to keep score. The older you get, gain some weight, pre-diabetic or diabetic, your blood pressure, maybe you drink too much, your anxiety's through the roof, just exhausted. Emotionally numbing yourself. I know because I did that for 30 plus years. Years putting myself dead last. Told myself that I would slow down later, get healthy later, deal with my stress. Maybe I would enjoy it later. Later eventually turns into, what the hell happened? My life is gone. It's over. It's not funny. That realization hits hard. Here's what I'm learning at 57. Still allowed to rebuild no matter where you are. Still allowed to become healthier. You're allowed to change your routine. You're allowed to take care of yourself. And you don't have to feel guilty about it either. It's not selfish. That's smart survival. Evolving into something better. Maybe, just maybe, the goal isn't just to survive, get to retirement. Maybe how to live before that's over and enjoy your retirement. Honestly, I think a lot of Gen Xers are waking up. I see it, the views, the comments. It's kind of amazing. I help people who are struggling. I'm an accountability coach. I help people restart, become focused, stay focused, change their lives. My information is in the bio below, erichobaugh@gmail.com. I have a coaching business where I speak with people, help them through the tough parts of their life so they can restart. like I did and I am. I appreciate you guys watching. I do these 3 times a day, 3 walks a day. Somebody said the other day, that's AI. God, I wish it was. 3 walks a day. That's what I needed to get better. Maybe that's what you need too. If you need help, hit me with an inbox. Appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one.